swing by to watch the Maui surfers and visit the food trucks one more time before taking a tour of Molokai by helicopter.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
So come on up here, guys.
Our pilot with Maverick Helicopter Excursions greeted us, and we began our adventure to Molokai, which is east of Oahu and is Hawaii's 5th largest island. Molokai is about 50 miles from Maui, and upon takeoff, you will fly along an alluring view of the beaches and enjoy the deep blue of the Pacific. The distance to Molokai is about 50 miles from Maui, and the channel is relatively shallow at about 252 feet. As you cross the channel to Molokai, you will hover over the iconic Elephant Rock. Over the longest continuous fringing reef. Molokai has the highest sea cliffs in the world, and the isolated waterfalls are spectacular. island is rather isolated and sparsely populated with only about 7,500 residents. There isn't a lot of tourism, but the island can be reached by either ferry or air. This Hawaiian island averages 24 inches of rain per year, with March being its rainiest month. A vast amount of the island is reserved for Molokai's native Hawaiians and sustainable land use practices. Molokai is the fifth largest of the Hawaiian Islands, and its highest elevation is 4,961 feet. In 1866, settlements were established on Molokai for quarantine treatment of patients with leprosy. These settlements operated until 1969. Our pilot is returning us to Maui over the West Maui mountains and valleys. It's a perfect landing back at Maverick's private terminal, which is only minutes away from Maui's airport, where we have to catch a flight back to the mainland. hope you enjoyed going to Molokai with me, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram.